Welcome back to the Boondocks Homestead, y'all. We're glad you're back, and if you're new to our channel, we're glad you're here. And today, on this video, we're going to show you how we clip our chickens' wings so that they can't fly.
Try to keep them out of the garden.
Yes, that's our plan, to try to keep them out of our garden this year so they can free range through the summer. So we'll see. So we thought we'd bring you along with us and show you how we do it. And we're going to do one of these at a time. So he's going to catch one, bring it out, we'll clip their wings, and then we'll release them.
Oh. Come here.
You sure you want to use these, or?
Yeah.
You want me to hold and you cut? Or here, we can put this down here. Do you want me to hold and you cut?
Well, can you see it there?
Right. Okay, so put down here where they can see. So these are the flight feathers. They're the ones that get all the air that make them fly. This is going to be your guide where you cut right through here. And you're only going to cut to about what, right there?
Yep.
You got her?
Yeah.
This doesn't hurt them. And I'm going to go a little under that, don't you think?
Yeah.
Just like giving them a little haircut, I reckon. And she's done. You just do one wing. Or you want to give her a worm? We're going to deworm them too, because this is about the time they can get wormy.
I don't know. I didn't see her spit it out.
Okay, well, she took it. And we just use these all natural ones. I ordered these off the internet. All natural. And we also put red pepper flakes in their food, and apple cider vinegar that I make goes in their water, and that should keep stuff, away. Which we've not had any problems as of yet, have we? That we know of. And she's done. I think she got it. And there might be an easier way to do this, but some people will just crush them up and put them in their food, but we don't know how much is going to each chicken. So we like to give each chicken just one tablet. That's just how we do it.
Probably don't like nobody.
You don't. Okay, let me get him back down here. Hers are a little higher. Done deal. Another tablet. Yeah, yep, she swallowed it. She swallowed it. Now what kind? We got Rhode Island Reds.
Yeah, Plymouth Barred Rock.
Plymouth Barred Rock. Rhode Island Reds. What else?
Black Sex Link.
Black Sex Link.
And we got one Easter egger, and then we got some Brahmers.
One Easter egger and then some Brahmas. They're kind of Brahma cross, aren't they? Yeah. Hey, they're
That's fine.
I didn't want them to break your fence. Where's hers? Right there. Hold on, sissy. I ain't got it yet. There you go.
Nope, go on. Get over there.
Hey, I think they're hooked. No, maybe not. Our two Alpine goats are fighting, the ones with the big horns. Okay.
Oh, come here.
She's like, what just happened? Something just went down my throat. That's why she's a little crazy. Little banny roosters. Watch your finger. I don't want to get your finger. There we go. I always forget the pill.
Come here.
She's like, no. There you go, Mama.
Quit. Quit.
She's a Brahma, and she.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. She's gonna fight you. She didn't swallow it. Swallow, sister, swallow.
Yes, you did now.
Little stinker. Quit moving. Hey. Now, I know that don't hurt. Calm it down. She's a little crazy too. Right, her.
You get it?
Didn't I? I want to see. Oh, what's going on? All right, now I have scissors this time. You better not go get mean with me. Mean and hateful. He is. He got me good, didn't he, Tim?
Got you.
Caused me to get big old bruises on me from his. I wanted to see how long his spurs were.
About that long.
That's all?
Yeah.
Well, he'd really hurt me if he can't stay on the farm. He's ornery. Unless he tames down. He might, and being he can't fly now, too. You never know.
She's a little bit crazy.
And we don't handle them all through the year. That's probably why they're like, at this time, they're like, what are you doing? They're not very docile chickens, though. I never thought. Easter eggers. Did you? I don't either. Now listen, sister. We're not gonna have none of that. Come on. Oh, she is not a happy camper.
Did she get it?
Yeah. Went on down. We hatched all these, didn't we?
It'd probably be easier if you come from that way.
No, it might be, but I've already started doing it this way, so I'm used to it. You got to have your peel. Get in there. Okay, good girl. Yeah, you can give these to turkeys.
Yeah, I said you could.
Mm-hmm. Natural dewormer. We've never used this before, so we're just kind of like, we always do apple cider vinegar in the water, which is natural too.
Look here.
How did that happen?
You must have went back in there. When that door come open.
We got done already. Well,
We ain't done.
I said it's one we got done already. So we cut their wings, clip their wings, just with a regular pair of scissors. We give them dewormer. And there's a good side to clipping their wings, and there's a bad side. Good side is, well, you can catch them easier, and they don't go far, and they can't fly. So we're hoping to keep them out of the garden. Bad thing is predators. But we put them up at night. They go up before it even gets dark.
We usually don't have no problem with predators unless it's night. Usually it's in the fall.
And at nighttime.
Yeah.
So, but like if you're out where you don't have a lot of other animals and you just have chickens, you might have to be concerned with that because they won't be able to fly to get away from them. They can run and they can jump a little, but they can't fly. So there's a good side to it and a downside, I think. So
we also added to our rabbits.
We did. I posted that on the community page on YouTube. So y'all get to see those. We got 2 females this morning, didn't we?
Yep.
We're not sure really what they're cross rabbit. They're meat rabbits, but they're cross. So we don't really know.
And they're young, so we can't do nothing with them anyways. Plus we bred our old doe today.
Yeah. So we'll be having babies for long.
About a month.
We're going to go in here. We're not going to clip their wings because they're staying up right now. Titus. But we're going to go ahead and deworm them. So you guys can watch us do that. It shouldn't take very long. Okay, we're going to try to do this right here without that falling. We're going to give them two of these. We give the chickens 1. We're going to give them 2. Her neck. Hold on. She got 1 down.
Okay.
She got that one down. Okay, we got 1 down.
She's pretty tame.
You would do their wings the same way. Mm-hmm. We don't let them run loose too much though because it gets the whole farm in an uproar.
And she wants to get on the porch.
And they want to come down the porch. Yeah. Woo, that wind is cold.
So this is probably going to happen over here now.
We got to go in the next. Okay. We'll bring this with us. I don't trust this male turkey.
We're going to do him right now.
I just don't trust him.
He's nothing.
There's something about roosters and tom turkeys I'm just not thrilled about.
Probably have to sit on him.
I'm probably going to... Oh!
Come here.
Oh, I'm running.
Come here.
If he...
Come here.
Okay. Well... There's 1. There's 2. Okay, good. We got him done. Or Tim did. He's a little stunned. No, don't come toward me, please.
Now she's not been handled. We actually
she'll be wild, won't she?
We hatched her.
Oh, she's Lazarus. That's the one. This is the turkey that died and came back to life. Yes, she sure did. And I said, well, we got to keep her. She's going to flog you. You got to hold on to her wings.
Did I give you medicine?
Yeah, I got it. And I said, we got to keep her.
Look at that. She's got a beard.
Farm mask. Is it a male?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Oh. Okay. Okay, here. You know, any other time they would take that out of my hand, something out of my hand.
Just wait a minute.
Should have brought some popcorn. They love popcorn.
And get her head up.
Okay. All right, we got them. Woo! And she got you.
Pulled some skin off of me.
Oh, did she?
My glasses off.
Aw. She knocked that off too. Are you?
Yeah, we're good.
You okay? Okay. All right, we're done.
Much.
Yeah, we probably should handle them a little bit more, so it's not so hard to do. But we kind of just raised them for eating, don't we? All right, well, we're gonna let y'all go. We got some more stuff we need to get done, and I'm cold actually.
Breezy. Y'all have a blessed day.
Lord willing, we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.